Your laptop can solve problems with 10 electrons. A supercomputer can handle 20. But no computer on Earth can solve the behavior of 30, 40, or 50 electrons. Why? Because the math is so complex, it would take all the world's computers combined longer than the age of the universe to crack it. But what if I told you there's a machine that can solve these problems in seconds? Welcome to the world of quantum computing. Microsoft just dropped a bombshell. They've built a quantum processor called Majorana One. It's not just another step forward, it's a giant leap. This tiny chip can hold over 1,000,000 qubits, the building blocks of quantum computing. But what does that mean for you? Will you ever have a quantum PC on your desk? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about qubits. Unlike the bits in your computer, which are either 0 or 1, qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition, and it's what gives quantum computers their insane power. Think of it like this. If your laptop is a bicycle, a quantum computer is a hyperspace spaceship. It's not just faster, it's operating on a whole new level. Microsoft's Majorana One uses something called topological qubits, which are way more stable and less prone to errors than traditional qubits. This means they can scale to millions of qubits on a single chip. But here's the kicker. Even with all this power, quantum computers won't replace your PC anytime soon. Why? Because they're not designed for everyday tasks like browsing the web or editing photos. They're built for specific, mind-bending problems that classical computers can't handle. So, what can quantum computers do? Imagine designing a new drug in days instead of decades, or creating a battery that charges once and lasts forever, or even supercharging AI to solve problems we can't even imagine yet. These are the kinds of tasks where quantum computing shines. But here's the challenge. Quantum computers are incredibly fragile. They need to be kept at temperatures colder than outer space, and even the slightest vibration can mess them up. That's why they're not sitting on your desk right now. Will quantum computing ever come to our homes? Probably not in the way you're thinking. Instead, you'll likely access quantum power through the cloud, like how we use supercomputers today. Your laptop might send a problem to a quantum computer somewhere in the world, and the results will come back in seconds. It's like having a quantum superpower at your fingertips. But here's the most exciting part. Quantum computing isn't just about faster machines. It's about solving problems that were once thought impossible. It's about unlocking new materials, new medicines, and new ways of understanding the universe. We're standing at the edge of a quantum revolution, and it's going to change everything. So, what do you think? Are you ready for the quantum age? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about the future as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.